Today we'll cover the basics of creating a simple drawing in Fusion 360 with the intention of using it as a board outline. Step number 1 in your Fusion 360 session, click on the top right hand corner where your name is located and select Preferences. Now here you're going to go to the Preview options and make sure that the PCB feature is enabled. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a simple sketch. And I click on the sketch option. It's going to ask me which plane I want to draw my sketch in. I'll go ahead and select this quadrant right here. And now I'm going to draw a simple rectangle. I'm going to go ahead and click there on 0, 0. And I'm going to create a example rectangle right here. Now I've created that rectangle. Now I'm going to go ahead and select that rectangle because that's going to be the body for my PCB. So I'll select that one right there. I'll click on Create PCB, this option right here. Click on PCB Profile. You'll notice that now Fusion adopts this new menu system for the PCB. Click on PCB Profile. I've already selected the body that's going to be for my PCB. Now I need to select the origin. Click on Select, and I'll select on the bottom left corner. That's going to be the origin for my PCB. I click OK, and I click on Finish PCB. And there's my board outline. I'm going to go ahead and save it because now what I want to do is I actually want to import that outline into my Eagle session. So I'm going to go ahead and fire up Eagle, create a brand new board. You notice that this version of Eagle now has this flyaway menu option. I'm going to click on that. Now it's actually going to ask me if I want to pull in or use an existing drawing in Fusion, or I want to create one in Eagle to push into Fusion. So I'm going to actually use an existing one. Now it's taking a look at my projects that I already have created in Fusion. And I have one of them already created that you saw a few minutes ago. And this one actually has a body for PCB right here. And I click OK. Now I have the option to pull in my PCB option from my Fusion 360, or I could actually push to Fusion. For this example, we're pulling in from Fusion to Eagle to get my outline. You'll notice that the colors kind of change a little on my flyaway depending of its activity. In this case, it's currently syncing up with Fusion 360. You'll notice that my flyaway has gone green, meaning that it's currently synced with Fusion 360, and it has imported my outline as well. It's that simple. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.